Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, we have a What TF Did I Order video. So I'm actually going to start with a smaller item first because this is an absolute what TF kind of packaging. Was this, like, it was literally shipped just like this. On the other side is the shipping label. So y'all, let me figure out how to get in here without damaging the actual content and see what it is. I have an idea, but with this wrapping, I cannot be too sure. And if this is your first time watching my channel, as you watch, if you feel like you'd like to subscribe and see more of my content, feel free to hit that subscription button or subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. And thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate y'all. What in the world? Y'all, they used a Shein bag, folded it, and put some tape on it and a shipping label. I'm kind of surprised that the post office even accepted this packaging, but I guess they probably didn't care. I don't know. All right. Okay, y'all. So, if I am right about this, why would they put a piece of tape on the front of this? At least it's painter's tape, I hope, that's not going to damage it. Some people, I don't think they really think or really care when they deal with leather goods, because I would not put any kind of tape on the front of a leather item. So y'all, this is a Dooney Bourke zebra print medium wristlet, and this is in black and white. The leather trim is black also, as well as the wristlet strap. Most of the zebra print that I have seen is, it has like a brown, it's like a brown leather. Brown, the black here is usually like a brown. So when I saw this on eBay, the interior of this is leather as well, so it kind of has me wondering how old it is. It's in pretty good condition. But I know the medium wristlets now don't have leather interior. They have the fabric interior with a slip pocket. I think, does the medium have a slip pocket? I think so. As well as an interior keychain. But this is all solid black and white zebra. So, fingers crossed. That means I kind of sort of may know what is in this box. If so, then I guessed very well by opening these up at the same time. So let's see. And they, of course, repurposed this packaging as well, because this is not an Amazon order. All right. Let's see. I don't know what it is about hair in these packages. Like, people don't see that they have hair. Ugh, and stuff. It's like hair everywhere. Let's put this inside of this bag. Okay, this is probably the most hair that I've had in a package before. I don't know if y'all can see that. But let's try to keep going. Okay, I couldn't take it, y'all. I had to get a piece of tape to catch all of this hair. Because it was a lot. Like a lot. And then there's more. What in the world? Okay, hopefully all of this hair is not on the contents as well, because it is absolutely on the outside. And that means I probably can't see how much hair is on the box. But let's see, y'all. More hair. I need my lint roller. Bad. Alrighty. So I was correct with opening these together. Is anything else in here other than hair? No. Okay, y'all. So this is hopefully a match. This is a Dooney Bourke drawstring bag, also in the zebra print. It does not have feet. It does have tassels. It has an equestrian strap on it. And not sure how old this bag is either. I would guess that it's probably at least 10 years old. Looks like this could be a stain. Maybe not. It looks a little off. So let's look inside. First, before I unstuff it, let me see if my wristlet actually matches this. I think that's a perfect match, y'all. And this was 2 different sellers. That is a perfect match. This is not as broken in as this drawstring bag, but it matches. Okay, inside not too bad, just needs to be cleaned and lint rolled. The back side just has a zipper pocket with the Dooney Bourke leather patch there. It does have a leather key leash, which lets you know that it's up there in age as well. And it does have the Dooney Bourke authentication label. And then a little skinny pocket here on the front. So this is a good size drawstring bag. I would probably guess that it may be 10 by 10 as far as the measurements of it. But what kind of inspired me to get this more in this pattern was that I have a cosmetic case. The cosmetic case is called Serengeti, and it's coated cotton. But I think that it is more, the background is more white instead of the off-white background like that's on these two pieces. But I was surprised to actually find a matching wristlet to it. But it looks to be in pretty good condition, y'all, because like I said, I think this is at least 10 years old, especially with it having that little skinny slip pocket inside. I believe that's something that Dooney Bourke did on their older bags. Some of their older bags. And then I didn't even see the charm here on the side as well, with the blue duck on it. And it does have Dooney Bourke on the back. And DB there as well. So that's pretty. A blue duck charm on a black and white bag. Because it is off-white, almost cream color. But that's not bad, y'all. I can't recall the price on this one. I'm trying to think. I think I made an offer on it. I don't think this was an auction purchase. I think I made an offer, like maybe a counter offer or two on it, but I don't remember how much this one was. But even with the flaws on it, it doesn't stand out too much. I don't know if they tried to put like liquid paper on there or what, but not bad, y'all. I think this is a cute set for what TF did I order. Let me know what you all think. If you all know exactly when this was released, if it was more than 10 years ago or if it was in that time, let me know. So now since I see this on the wristlet, I'm thinking that this is not a stain here that I thought it was. It's a part of the actual design, because you can kind of see it throughout as well. And at first I thought that this was a coated cotton bag, so I did message the seller and ask if it was leather or coated cotton, because I almost didn't get it because it looked leather, but then I was like, well, I wasn't sure. And then I did see this silhouette in, I believe it was a medium Russell that I also was looking at as well. But I think that particular one, the leather was not as black. I think it was more of a darker brown in that particular silhouette. But I am glad with this one. I like this set. I think it's very pretty. Let me know, y'all, if y'all think this is antique or if it wasn't released as long ago as I feel like it was. Let me know what y'all think. Do you prefer the black and white zebra print, or if you prefer the more of a chocolate stripe zebra print with the lighter brown tan leather trim instead, which is, I believe that's all that's out now, if I recall. And it has a brown leather patch on it versus the metal plate as well. And this just feels like that this plate is bigger than the usual plates on the Dooney Bourke bags, but maybe because compared to this one is so much bigger, the one that's on the wristlet, which it should be because it's a smaller silhouette. But let me know what you all think. These are my two items. I am happy with my purchases and looking forward to cleaning them up and wearing them or carrying them. So thank you all so much for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. And as always, have a very, very, very wonderful day.